Friends, in the month of January you can grow different types of vegetables easily. In this video I am showing you 12 different types of vegetables that I have already grown in my terraced garden, so you can also try it. Zucchini is super easy to grow and you can easily grow zucchini at home from seeds. The potting mix should contain 50% garden soil, 30% compost, 20% sand and 10% of neem cake powder. Zucchini is super for health and the plant can start giving fruit within 1.5 to 2 months. Don't forget to fertilize the plant in a gap of 15 days and water it thoroughly. Eggplant or brinjal is also a popular plant for the month of January. You can grow it at home from seeds or you can buy saplings from the nursery. The potting mix should contain 50% garden soil, 40% compost and 10% of sand. Don't forget to fertilize the plant now and then and water it properly. Tomatoes are also super easy to grow at home. You can grow good quality tomato plant from seeds at home. Try to make a potting mix that is airy and light in weight. Tomatoes are heavy feeders. Don't forget to fertilize the soil in a gap of 15 to 20 days. Never overwater the plant, it can increase the chances of root rot. And try bone meal or fish meal in the soil of tomato plant, it increases the fruiting. Carrots are also a popular vegetable for the month of January. To grow carrots, you should take a tub that has minimum 10 to 15 inches of depth. Grow it at home from seeds. Don't transplant carrot seedlings. Take a potting mix that is full of nutrients. Water it thoroughly now and then. Fertilize the carrot plants in a gap of 15 days. Radish is a vegetable that you can grow throughout the year. Radish is super easy to grow. With a good potting mix, you can harvest radish within 1 month. Bring radish seeds from the nursery. Radish greens are also edible and has a very sweet flavor. Don't forget to water radish per day basis, and you can fertilize it with organic fertilizers like cow dung compost, vermicompost, or you can also add liquid fertilizer, that means the homemade fertilizer with mustard cake powder or mustard cake fertilizer. Spinach is easy to grow at home from seeds. This is another vegetable that you can harvest within 1 month. Spinach is heavy feeder, so don't forget to fertilize it often. Water the pot or tub of spinach when you get the upper layer of the soil is dry. Give organic fertilizers in a gap of 10 to 15 days. The potting mix for spinach should be light and airy, and try to keep the pot of spinach in a semi-shaded area. Bush beans are also very easy to grow in the month of January. Don't transplant the plant, directly grow it from seeds. The plant will produce fruits within 1.5 months. Try the potting mix that contains 50% of garden soil, 30% of compost, 20% of sand and 10% of neem cake powder. Mustard greens are rich in nutrients. You can easily grow it in a pot. Try a potting mix of 50% soil, 40% compost and 10% of sand. Peas are also very easy to grow from seeds. Soak the seed in the water for 15 hours before sowing. Fertilize it with vermicompost or well quality of cow dung compost. You can germinate bitter gourd seeds in January to get fruit in the month of March. Soak the seeds for 1 day before plantation. Bitter gourd are heavy feeders, so fertilize it now and then with good quality fertilizer for good growth. Corianders are super easy to grow in the month of January. A single pot can give you a good amount of corianders. Choose a soil that is airy and very light in weight. Fertilize it with liquid fertilizers. It will be best for corianders. Capsicums are also super easy to grow in the month of January. You can grow it from seeds or you can buy saplings from the nursery. Try to fertilize it with vermicompost or cow dung compost and water it properly per day basis. Friends, thank you very much for watching and don't forget to subscribe the channel and press the bell icon.